today we're talking about the today we're doing a little fake EAS scenario. Anyway, let's get into it. So today we are talking about the Bernie EF5. This tornado had wind speeds, F5, of 290 miles per hour. The first town it impacted was the town of Beaumont, but let's go from the beginning. The tornado touches down as a skinny rope at about 50 yards wide. It grows to around 400 to 500 yard wide tornado and produces EF4 damage and multiple fatalities. The tornado impacts the town of Bernie and produces F5 damage and kills over 40 people. The tornado then impacts a small town of Berry Grove, producing EF5 damage at 280 miles per hour. This tiny town had all F5 damage with only around 20 residents. And then near the end of its path, another tiny town was devastated. Here is the only radar image from that day as the tornado impacted the town of Bernie. Here is a photo taken of the tornado as it impacted Bernie. This monster tornado was over a mile wide at this point. This tornado was extremely deadly. And if you want to see more of this style of content, please leave a like on this video. Sorry for my horrible drawing. Oh crap. Sorry for my horrible drawing on this. I'm not the best. I'm pretty young and just getting into the land of art here. So bye, have a great time, and I'll see you later.